So here I am with the 2019 Beta RRS. I'm going to do the second oil change. I only have on like 250 miles. Might as well do it before I go to Tennessee. Plus I'll be putting in a new oil filter. We'll take a look at that here in a second, and I want to see if it works. That's one reason to do this oil change again, to bring you all this information. So you'll need an 8 mil for the side cover for the oil filter, which is this guy right here. This is the drain plug, which that is a 19 mil. This is the screen that comes out just like that, that goes up in. It would be sitting like that. Here's the dipstick and the fill cap, if you will. These are the 8 mil bolts for the filter. One's long, two are the same. It's pretty easy to know which one's which. The long one is actually the one that's out here. Then I have my skid plate, because I have my homemade skid plate. That's a 4 mil Allen. But yours might be different depending what you do, what you use, what you go with. My skid plate, actually, how I have it with one zip tie up there, is able to swing out of the way. I like that. It's out of the way. I have an impact that makes it just taking stuff apart easy. I only use that lightly to start with my hand and zip, 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 zip. And I don't, impact it in. I actually use a wrench. Oh, and I use that type of oil fill. Works perfect to stick out of there like so. So this is the test to see if this K&N KN-141 oil filter is the same as that guy right there. Oh, I'm hoping. Here it is. It has a rubber there. Rubber. Rubber side. Rubber gasket there. Looks the same. Yeah. Yeah. It is the same. Awesome. So I will be putting this one in. You'll know which way is correct because, well, if you put this sticking out, that's going to hit on the tab on that. It's not going to work. So just like that. So this out, and it actually has on it KN-141. I'll have the link in the description. You can pick these off Amazon. No reason to go to Beta, and who knows what they'll charge. I'm not opposed buying from dealers. It's just I like to know cross-reference what works. I don't want to rely on a manufacturer or dealer. And oil filter system designs are pretty standardized, so that's how you figure things out. So when you put it in, just put it in like that, and there we have it. I'll have a new oil filter. So there we have it. I think this one cost me $7 and some odd cents. We'll just say $8. Probably can get them in bulk cheaper. I just bought it off Amazon and didn't really look around too much. So, that's not bad. Showed up to my house the next day or 2 days later. It was real simple. The oil didn't look that dirty, so I'll be putting back in my Rotella 15W, I think it's 40. All right, well, let's go take a look. All needed NOAs. Let's see, which one is open? This one's open. So there we have it. I'll be using 15W40. Good stuff, T5. Works really good. Anyways, I just thought I'd bring you this short video showing you what tools I used, and that oil filter does work. So there we have it. Hopefully you found this video helpful for your Beta 125. Have a good one and stay well, my friends. Bye.